This is the Penampang District Council building that houses the staffs that administer the town of Donggongon. Donggongon is a town in the West Coast Division of Sabah, Malaysia. The town is located within the district of Penampang, but today it can be considered as part of Greater Kota Kinabalu and is located about 15 kilometres from Kota Kinabalu. As of 2007, it has a population of 78,086. The whole of Penampang District is administrated by a district officer. The Native Court, the Penampang District Police Headquarters, the Penampang Fire and Rescue Department, the Penampang Health Center, the Penampang District Library, and the Penampang Sports Complex are all located in Donggongon. An ongoing project currently being undertaken by the Penampang District Council is the roofing of the spacious ground area between the 4 blocks of shop lots in the center of the town. The council plans that when the project is completed, stalls will be made available under the roofed area where households products alongside traditional handicrafts such as bangles, headbands, etc. are available for sale. There will also be more spaces for food stalls as well as area for an open-air cultural entertainment presentations.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Watch for more videos at Andog 1961 YouTube channel.